Good evening guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Helen and tonight I'm going to be unboxing my new washing machine and it is the Haier HW100B14979S. Also worth mentioning is the overall weight. It's 82 kilos and the dimensions is 890 by 646 by 653 millimeters. Time to get it unboxed. Right, now all the packaging's been taken off, we're going to get the door open and see what's inside. Right, we have the instruction manual with the NG rating. It's rated A, which is meant to be the best you can get. It's also a 10 kilo wash, which is great for if you've got a large family. We have the pipes to go in the back and also some blanking plates which go on the back of the machine too. And also some noise reduction pads. Right, next up we've got to remove the shipping bolts and the shipping brackets. This is all explained in the user manual, but it seems to be at the back of the manual instead of in the front, like I expect it to probably be. Right, it's all now plumbed in. Now it's time to peel off the wrappers. There we go. Oh, look at that, it's nice and shiny. Oh. There we go. There we go. Right, so we're going to switch the machine on at the plug and then turn it on the machine. Oh, there we go. Oh, right, so that's a nice little surprise. It actually lights up inside. So that if you open up the door here, there's actually a light up in the rim up here. You can get that on camera there. So no rummaging around for your dirty socks, or clean socks, after it's been washed, trying to find them because you can see it nice and easy. Right, it's time to have a look around the beast. Right, there's no physical buttons for the on and off button. It's just a flat touchscreen. I think it says you should touch it for 2 seconds, which sounds about right. Right, so next up you've got the scroll wheel here, which is lovely and smooth, which goes through your different wash modes. This along here is not touchscreen. The touchscreen part is above this line here. And you then can just press those ones there, like that one. Next up, we've got our detergent straw. So just pull that one out like that, and then you've got your different compartments, obviously for your softener and your tablets and everything. Just like that one. Right, moving on down to the door. It has no latch on it, it's literally just a pull handle. So you just pull it to open it and push it to shut it. Right, so there's a couple of things I like about this door on this washing machine. One, it's totally flat, as you can see. And unlike our old one, how it goes in like that, my little younger ones used to use this as a climbing frame. And it used to be very annoying because I was worried they're going to break it. So that's one thing I like about it. The second thing is that it's actually tinted. So when it's like this, you can't see anything inside. And if you have people coming around, they ain't going to see your smalls going around in the washing machine. And finally, we just got our filter door down at the bottom, which you just pop open like that and unscrew and take it out. I've just loaded it up with my first wash. All the stuff's in there ready to go. So I'm just going to turn it on. There we go. Right, I'm going to put it onto a Cotton's wash. So there we go. And that comes up auto, but obviously I'm going to select iTime to select my time, which I want 1 hour 6. There are other timings on there, but I'm selecting 1 hour 6. And we're going to press start. There we go. You've got to keep your finger on there by the looks of it. So you've got your lock button to say that it's all been locked out. Right, as you can see, the washing's now going round. The light did actually stay on for about a minute after I pressed start, but it's now obviously gone off and it's all in darkness. And just listen how quiet that is. That's actually going around. Well, it's just stopped now, but it will go around in a minute and you can hardly hear it. The only thing you could hear was the water filling up, which is obviously coming through the pipes. But listen how quiet that is. That's more the clothes slapping around more than anything, isn't it? But it's not the motor on the machine. I am blown away with how quiet this machine is. I can't actually hear the motor at all. Obviously, someone's turning that drum around and you can't hear it. All you can hear is that washing just slapping. I don't know if you can actually pick up on that on my microphone, that you can't actually hear the drum at all. Right, so that's the first wash done, and as you could hear, it makes a little tune at the end. Right, so I've done a full spin sound test between my old Samsung EcoBubble and my new hair. Let's see how they compare. I think it's fair to say the higher is the winner. Right, let's run through some key features for this hair washing machine then. So it has a 10 kilo drum, a direct motor, which means it's super silent. It has a large porthole.
Hey.
That is a porthole.
Oh.
A steam function, which helps remove stubborn stains and creases, what every mum wants. Also, the dimensions for this one out of the wrapper is 85 centimetres by 59.5 centimetres by 53 centimetres. There you go then, guys. That's the end of my first unboxing. Thanks for watching. I hope I don't sound too bad in this video because it's obviously my first video. And hopefully my next ones will be a bit better. But if you can bear with me and watch it and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, not a thumbs down because I don't like thumbs down.
And subscribe.
And yeah, like and subscribe and
Hopefully catch you on the next one.
catch you on the next one. Bye for now.